how to cut audio in After Effects. It's pretty simple. So what you need to do is first drag and drop the video you want to cut the audio up. Once the video is in your timeline, just duplicate it. Just like, drag and drop the video again to create two layers. So first, the one at the top, mute it. Once you do that, its audio is completely removed. Now we are going to use this layer as basically the audio layer, since we can hear audio from here. Now what we can do is scroll to the place where we want to make the cut and make sure this is selected. Once the video or the audio layer is selected, we can go on edit at the top right, and then I can just click on the option split layer, and wherever this playhead is, it's going to make a split. So you can see the above layer is not cut, only the below one. It's cut and it's cut and separated over here. Whenever you make a cut in After Effects, it separates it. So now you have a separate layer. Now if you want to remove this, you can just delete it, or if you want to remove the above one, you can just delete that and you will have the audio. Just like this, you can make cuts. So that's how you guys can make a cut on Adobe After Effects. And after that, just select both of this and just combine this into a single layer at the end. Here you can just do mask, or you can just basically blend and make it a single layer, whatever you want. But I like to keep it double layer, so I know which is the audio I'm playing. But if you want to combine it, you can do that as well. But that's how we guys can split audio. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.